Okay, next question, students. Next one. See the screen, all of you all. Is it being shared? Yeah, next question. Look at the next one. For second one, and which one was done? Fifth one is done. I explained how to solve. Now the seventh one, students. Look at seventh one. And whatever I missed now, I'll teach all on Saturday. The third question, fourth, sixth question, I'll teach all those on Saturday. It's the same concept. Look at the seventh one. Construct a quadrilateral. Let me first draw a simple quadrilateral X, Y, Z, and T. This is the seventh question, in which XY is equals to XZ. What do you mean by this, students? What do you mean by this? How many sides are equal? Yes, respond. XY is equal to which one? So XY is how much? XY is now XZ is 5.7. What do you mean by XZ? Is it the side or diagonal? XZ. What is diagonal value? Yes. This is how they'll twist the question. So don't take it as different value. Look at the question and write it. XY is equals to XZ. Draw the line. Next, what is YZ? YZ is 4.5. Next question, next one. ZX is, oh, there is a value wrong. Even last time, just check your textbook. Did ma'am correct this? This is actually Z and Y, students. I think Z and Y. Can you just check your textbook? There is some printing problem mistake in this. It's a typing mistake. Abigail, do you have the textbook? Did ma'am change the seventh question? Seventh one. If not, tell your teacher, students. Seventh one, the question is wrong. What is the value of XZ? Actually, what is the value of X and Z? It didn't change. What's the value of X and Z? 5.7. And it is also given ZX is what? 4.6. How can it be same? Does it make any sense? Will it have two value? Yes. Response, students. Will it have two value? No. So therefore, this is actually Z and T, I think. It was Z and T. Okay. Ask your teacher tomorrow. Seventh one is wrong, students. Tell her the question is wrong. Ask her the question. Can you check your textbook? Is it the same question or different? Seventh one. Same question. Okay, that is wrong. Ask your teacher. Seventh one. Ninth one. We'll do the ninth one. What do you have to construct? Ninth one? A parallelogram. PQ. RS. In which, what is QR? 4.7. What is angle Q? 120 degree. And PQ is? It is 120 degree. QR is 4.7. Fine. Will you all try this question? Isn't it simple question? What will you take the base as, students? Base is? See, Ananya, QR is given, PQ is given. QR is QR value, students. What is QR value? Okay, what is PQ value? And what's the angle given, Ananya? What's the angle given? Okay, remember this. Whenever angle is given, that is what you're supposed to take as base. Either Q can be on left hand side or right hand side. You have to take such a value that Q should be on the base. Now, which one is greater? 4.7 is greater or 2.8? So, which base we have to take, students? PQ or RQ? We need to take P. Not RQ. RQ is smaller. Sorry, QR. Okay, we need to take QR. Is this clear, all of you all? Understood how to take the base? Okay, try this question, students. Drop base QR. Ninth question, be quick. Ninth question is QR. QR is 4.7. In that angle Q is 120 degree. Draw 60 degree, 120. Okay, Ananya, always take 2 centimeters in the compass, Ananya. Okay, take 2 centimeters. How do you draw 120? Can you tell me 120? How many arc I have to cut? Okay, you tell me how to solve this question. After drawing 2 arc, what should I do? What is PQ value? PQ, where is PQ given? Yes, 2.8 centimeters. What are you supposed to do? Next, a straight line where a start means for 2 points. Yes, all of you are completely clear. Yes, be quick, students. Done, completed till here. 120 degrees, right? That's 120 here. Inside you'll write 120. Okay, now I need to complete 2 more lines. Any other values given in this question? Ninth question. Yeah, PQ is done. PQ is 2.8. Who can answer this? Sting can answer. It's a parallelogram. What is the property of parallelogram? Yes, very good. Opposite sides are equal. If QR is 4.7, what will be the value of PS? Imagine S is here. So PS will be 4.7. What is the value of RQ? Even if value is not given, we can assume and draw it, right? Correct? Okay, look at this, students. What is PS now? Tell me PS. If QR is 4.7, What is PS? PS also should be, yes. Ananya, don't draw in ruler. You have to cut in the protractor like this. Okay. Next, tell me SR. What is SR? 2 point. Sorry, 2 point. SR is equals to PQ because it's a parallelogram. 2.8. For parallelogram and rectangle, this is the concept. Even for rectangle, we should do the same thing. Okay, 2.8. Let me cut an arc. Did we get a point where two lines meet, two arcs meet? Now draw a straight line and complete the diagram. Look here, one straight line here, another straight line here. Both the red lines are equal and both the black lines top and down are equal. P, Q, R, S. Even for exam, they'll give you this diagram, 3 marks, 3 if not 4. Okay, completed. Shall we try the next one? All of you are completed? Next question. 10th, 9th is done. Which one you'll have? 11th question. 10th one is cancelled. 11th one. Okay. In 11th one, before this, is any diagonal was given, students? Was any diagonal value given? Other questions? Any diagonal? Whatever we solved? Look at the 11th question here. In a parallelogram ABBC, what is diagonal value given? Tell me, what is diagonal? 5.4. Let me draw a diagram like this. Let me write A, B, C, and D. What is AC value? This is a rough diagram. AC is equals to 5.4. What is AB? 4.8. 4.8. What is BC? If BC is 3.5, what about AD? 3.5. Whenever diagonal is given, students, remember this, whenever diagonal is given, it's a tough question. Okay, it is going to be tough because angles are not given. So when diagonal is given, take diagonal as the base. What is the base now? Tell me what is base. Look at this diagram and tell me what will be the base. A and not B, which is diagonal. AC. Just try to turn the diagram, reverse, turn it. What comes in between A and C? Top, what you get? D, right? So what will be the distance from A to D, students? What's the distance from A to D? Now, see, draw a base 5.4. It's a very simple question. Construct a base 5.4, cut an arc. From C, what C to D, what's the value? From C to D? Yes, cut an arc like this. Then downwards, down you'll get B, students. Just try to tilt the image. What is A to B value? Take 4.8, cut an arc like this. Take C to B, 3.5, cut an arc. Are we getting a quadrilateral? Is it clear? A to B 4.8, D to C is also 4.8. Is it clear? Did you understand? Why Bhargavi? Why no? What's the doubt in this? No, you tell me what you didn't understand. I don't think you were concentrating. Tell me what you didn't understand. Which question are we solving? Read the question. Have I drawn a parallelogram here? Instead of angle, what they have given? Instead of angle, they have given diagonal. Instead of angle, there is any angle given? No. If angle is not given, it's not possible to construct. Then what do we do? You take the diagonal as the base. Can you see I've just tilted the image? What is the diagonal here? Can you see I've taken the AC as base? Then this A to D, this becomes top triangle, and this becomes bottom triangle. Can you see top triangle if you tilt the image? Okay, now tell me which one you don't understand. Which part? Start doing. Only if you don't concentrate, you won't understand, Bhargav. If you're leaving the class in between listening, okay, complete it then. Draw the base, students. Take AC as base. First, draw the rough diagram. All of you, draw the rough diagram. Others, did you understand the logic here? Abigail, Angel, Eileen. What about Abigail? Are you there online? Angle is not given, students. Whenever diagonal is given, remember this point. Okay. 10th question. It's not there for project, but I'll teach you on Saturday. Even 10th one has diagonal. Whenever there is diagonal, take that as base. Just slightly turn the diagram, the rough diagram. You'll get AC. First draw AC, all of you all. AC 5.4. Okay, Bhargavi, you tell me the value now. What is AC? What is the base? Let me draw 5.4. After this, next, what is this AB? Isn't it AB value? AB or AC? AC 5.4. Top of that, which angle will you get on top? If you tilt this diagram, which will go on top? This yellow part will go on top. Yeah. So from A to which is given. What is A to D? Look here. Let me take 3.5 from A to D. All of you look at the screen, students. Do it later. 3.5. Okay. Where should I consider? Top or down? 3.5. It should be on top. Next, from C to D, what's the value? 4.8. Take 4.8 from C to D. Understood now? Is it clear? Okay. Draw the same down as well. Join the lines. This is 3.8. This is 4.8, 3.5. Next, bottom you'll get B. From A to B, 4.8. Take 4.8, construct an angle down. Okay. From A to B, this is also 4.8 students. 4.8. Then from C to B, it is 3.5. All of you all completed? Shall we try the next one? 4.8. I didn't draw it perfectly. Look, students, the red one, the red lines are equal, parallelogram. The black line, AD and AC. Okay. And you'll see the blue line. Blue line will be the base, right? Blue line is the base, AC. It is actually the diagonal. Parallelogram is completed. Shall we try the next one? 13th question. All of you got the diagram? 13th question. Yes. Look at the 13th one. Construct a rectangle. Is angle given for a rectangle? What's the angle, students? Is it straight or slanting? It's a straight angle. Then each angle is equals to, what is each angle? 90. So for rectangle, they will not mention angle. We have to take it. Construct a rectangle. Take it as ABCD. Which is greater, 3.2 or 4.7? 4.7. Very good. 0.7 is greater. Take it as base, students. Whichever is greater, take it as base. Which one should I take it as base? 4.7. Let me take it as base. Then what are the two angles I have to construct? Both are 90 degrees. Yes, respond. How many right angles I have to construct for rectangle? 2. Yes. If this is 4.7, opposite also 4.7. 3.2 will be base. Base. Start constructing 4.7, 90 degrees. Yes, the base is 4.7. Look, let me take base. Base is 4.7. Construct, take 2.5 centimeters in compass, construct 290 degrees. Okay, if not 190 degrees enough, students. I don't think 2 is required. 1 is enough. Because we have all the other sides we know, right? So 190 degrees enough. Okay, 4.7. If BC is 3.2, what about AD? AD also should be? Yes, 3 point. Take 3.2 centimeters, draw a straight line. Okay, I'll do it properly. Here I'm not getting a straight line. It is outside the arc, which should be there. Yes, now tell me the value of CD, students. What will be the value of CD if AB is 4.7? Yes, okay. You can measure it from here. Take the same angle. Look at the screen, all of you. Stop writing. Look at the screen. Take AB. Don't draw using a scale. First, cut the line from this point. Cut an arc, and the arc should be small. What about DC? CD? CD should be equal to which one? CD should be equal to 8. Yes, 8. Take 3.2 from B. Start from, keep it on B. Cut an arc. That's it. Join these two lines. Am I getting a rectangle now? Isn't it a rectangle? See. Completed. Shall we try the next one? Next question. Construct a rectangle. Instead of diagonal, what is given, students? I mean, if diagonal is given, what did I tell you all? Whenever diagonal is given, yes, we need to take it as the base. Okay, how will you construct this? No, sorry, that is only for, oh, just a minute. AC 6 centimeters, AB is 4 centimeters. No, that concept is only for which one, students? That concept is only for parallelogram. Okay, that concept is only for parallelogram, not for rectangle. For rectangle, let us take base AB. What is base? 4.5. Yes. When do we take angle? When do we take diagonal as the base? When angle is not given, right? Respond. But for rectangle, do we need angle, or do we know that? We know all the angles are 90. For rectangle, we don't need. We know that all the angles are 90. First draw base, then draw right angle. Just draw right angle and draw a straight line, students. From B, just draw straight dotted lines. I'll tell you how to solve. 4.56. Okay, which side we need to draw the right angle? This one matters. Which side is C joining, students? Look at the diagram. 4.5. Stop writing. Look at the diagram. C and D. What is the diagonal value? A to C. What's the diagonal? 6. Where is this A touching? It's touching towards B, right? Right. So where do we need to draw the right angle? You're supposed to draw an angle B. All of you will construct right angle at angle B. Construct a right angle at here at angle B. All of you will complete it till here. Response, students, completed. Any other side given? Any other side given here? No, right? See, only if a side BC is given, we could have drawn a line. If side BC is given, instead of that, what they have given? Instead of that, they have given diagonal. How much is diagonal? 6 centimeters. So look here, concentrate. It's important. Now what you'll do is just draw dotted line, student. Just draw a straight line from B. Connect a line and draw a straight line. Don't measure anything. Just draw. Tell me what's the diagonal value from A to C. What's the diagonal? Yes, take 6 centimeter. Look, take 6. Take 6 centimeter. Look, before drawing, look at the screen. 6. Then keep it at A. Wherever this line touches, just cross that arc. Can you see? A line is touching the arc. 6 centimeters. Right? So this becomes C, students. Now what is the distance between C to D? If A to B is 4.5, what will be the distance between C to D? Even that also should be. Look here. I'll take 4.5. I'll cut an arc. Okay. What's the value from A to D? A to D will be equal to which one? B to respond, B to C, right? So I'll take this B to C, students. Look here, I'm taking B to C distance. Whatever distance we got, I'll take that distance from A, I'll cut an arc. This is how you get a rectangle. Understood, all of you all? Can you respond? What is Bhargavi doing? Is Bhargavi online? Hmm. Did you understand, Bhargavi? Because suddenly in between you leave the meeting. You didn't leave, right? Okay. Completed. Join the lines like this. And mention the diagonal. Okay, let me draw the diagonal 6 centimeter. Okay, next, last question. Except one question, I've done everything, students. Tell your teacher, inform tomorrow that that question is wrong. Values are wrong. Completed. Shall we do the last one? Done. Okay, what's the last question, students? That's it, only 14? Read out the 22nd question. What is given? Hexagon of side. Okay, this is the toughest one. Not toughest one. Hexagon. Let me see that hexagon. Can give only Abigail. Only your teacher has given. 22nd. Abigail Island. Okay, 150. See, even if ma'am didn't give this, they had given it. It was there for last year students. Final exam also they had given hexagon. Okay, I'll just teach you how to complete it. Each angle of hexagon 120 degrees. Fine. Any angles given here? Look at the screen, students. Any angles given? No, right? Hexagon of side, how much? Each side is 3.5 centimeter. Hexagon is nothing but which has 6 sides. This is hexagon. How many sides does it have? Count the number of sides, students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And all the sides will be what's each side given? 3.5, right? So everything will be respond. All the sides should be 2.5. So take base 3.5 and I'll tell you the angle should be 120 degrees. What's the angle between them? It should be 120. Look here, I'll tell you how to write. Concentrate. I'll tell you how to draw. First, AB students. AB. Next. What is the angle you have to construct? 120? No, no, angle. I'm talking about angle. 120 degrees. Then from 120 degree, how many distance you have to take? How much distance? 3.5. Then here, turn your book. Construct another angle here. What angle you have to construct? Which degree? 120, right? Then from there, join angle like this, students. Join. Only this part I'll explain if you haven't understood. First, construct AB 3.5 centimeters. Last question. Okay, 3.5 centimeters. Then all the angles should be at 120 degree. Okay, construct 120 degrees. Let me take certain value. Okay, after 120 degree, what's the distance to students? Everything should be, tell me the side. Everything should be 3.2. What are you answering, Bhargavi? Why are you taking 3.2? Feeling sleepy? Want to leave? 3.5. Last diagram, we will end the class. After 3.5, before drawing the other diagram, what you have to do, students? Look here carefully. This is most important. What angle I have to construct here? I have to construct again another 20. Look here. Look at the way I'm constructing. 120. From this point, 120. This will be 60. And from here, till the next line, this is 120 degrees. Okay. Then what distance I have to take to cover this, to draw this? Bhargavi, 3.5 or 3.2? 3.5 from here to here, 3.5 students. Is it clear? Understood how to draw hexagon? Angel, practice this. If not for project, you'll have it for test or exam. Okay, 3.5 students. Look here, 3.5. Let me draw a straight line from here, 3.5. Okay. After that, you don't need angle, students. What is the straight angle next? From there, what's the straight angle? Isn't it 3.5? Look here. For this, we don't need angle. Just take 3.5 straight line. 3.5. Right? Then from here, do the same thing. How many degrees you have to construct here? This side, how many degrees? 120 degrees. And the process repeats. Until you get a hexagon, you have to keep repeating it. 120. Fine. I'll show a rough diagram here. 120. Look at here. Continue from here. 3.5. Then draw 120 here. Construct till here. From here, construct another 120. 60, 120. You'll get value like this. Understood how to draw hexagon? Any doubts? That's it. Hexagon is also done. Whatever questions are left, we'll do it on Saturday or Sunday. This chapter will get done. And we have one more chapter pending, right? Quadrilateral. Yeah, we'll start tomorrow. If not tomorrow, we'll continue with construction and we'll start quadrilateral on Wednesday. Fine. That's it for today. Complete your project and submit it. All four of you all.